named the name as Violet Goddess because we fight against injustice and we fight against all evil. Now I'm going to tell you about our objectives. We help poor people. When many people in this world do not have money and they are suffering in poverty, they don't even have food for one meal. So our team will try to help them. Our second objective is we help to educate children. Education is very important for people's life. It gives growth to their life and makes them happier and fuller lives. So for those children who do not have access to education, we educate those children. We also help orphans. Orphans are children who do not have parents or any type of guardians. It may look not so. Orphans are always very sad because they are alone always. They don't have anyone to talk to. They don't have any friends, which is quite terrifying for us. So we should help them we should act as a friend to them and help them in all cases. We also save trees. Trees are very important for our because trees can convert carbon dioxide. Trees take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for our breathing. Because of this, we can breathe good and pure air. We also save water because water is necessary for us everyday things, for bathing, cooking, cleaning clothes, etc. Without water, we can't even live for one day, but without food, we can live for many days. So water is very essential.
Now I'm going to tell our slogan. We are smart warriors because we fight with unity to make our team victorious. Now I introduce everybody.
My name is Nihal Ahmed and I am studying 9th standard.
My name is Mohammed Faim. I am studying in 10th standard.
I am Mohammed Abdullah studying in 10th standard.
My name is Mohammed Imran. I am studying in 10th standard.
My name is Nasla. I am studying 9th standard. My name is Abdul Hamid. I am studying 9th standard.
My name is Abu Zaid. I am studying 10th standard.
And myself personally I am studying in 7th standard.
Claps, go!